Our first stop is the screen room. It takes 12 process steps per order. Here we have 3 screen frame sizes, and they are 4x4, 2x6, and 2 3/4 by 6 inches. We print directly to these frames and produce 1,300 to 1,500 screen frames per day. Did you know we use 13.1 miles of mesh per year? One 6,000 watt bulb used to cure motion, which equal to 160 watt light bulbs. Create a bead of glue yearly, long enough to go from Tampa to Orlando, Florida. And 1,525 soda cans of glue used per year. Our second stop is our molding process. We have 44 molding machines ranging from 80 to 210 tons. We currently have one mold that has been in use for 51 years. Over 1,000 parts make up one mold. 67 injection molds which are serviced every 54,000 cycles. Our click stick actuated mold has 11 million cycles. The top 2 materials we consume in production are polypropylene, approximately 977,000 pounds per year, and our Delrin, approximately 570,000 pounds per year. There are 900 different color possibilities per part that we produce. Next is the extrusion process. Here we produce 660 barrels per minute for round stick, click stick, and wide body product families. We can hold a tolerance of plus or minus the thickness of a strand of hair. 1.2 million pounds of material a year is consumed with zero waste to landfill. This is equivalent to the weight of 80 15,000 pound elephants. Moving on to round stick print and assembly. We are capable of printing up to 3 colors per pen. Our customers can choose from 120 trim colors, 56 barrel colors, and 6 standard cartridges with 40,000 different color combinations. For safety compliance, the button and barrel are fused together and the caps are vented. Did you know our round stick product is the best seller in the hotel industry? Since inception in 1981, in Clearwater we produce enough round stick writing ink to go around the world at the equator 240,000 times and over 5 billion round stick pens produced. Heading to click stick print and assembly. We are capable of printing up to 4 colors per pen. Our customers can choose from 60 trim colors, 60 barrel colors, and 6 standard cartridges, over 15,000 color combination. For safety compliance, retention tests are performed during the assembly process. Our sub-assembly operation assembles 4 components for every pen. Some interesting facts. Our click stick is the most popular retractable pen sold. We produce enough click stick pens yearly to supply everyone in California, Texas, and New York combined. Our final stop is the wide body print and assembly. Since inceptions, our wide body pens have grown from 1 item to 13 items. We offer 21 gripper barrel colors choices, 11 extruded barrel color choices, 19 trim colors, and 17 grip colors. We built enough wide body pens to put one in every seat at the Raymond James Stadium for all preseason and regular season games for an entire season.